Hello, this is Zach Null. This is for CIS113 Data Management in SQL, Class 3. So this week for my code, I'm kind of just continuing on with the last week one, and was using your idea from the lab to keep working with this one and using the select statement. And so yeah, I kind of just got a couple new columns. So we'll go ahead and throw that in there and show you what it looks like. Okay. So that one stayed pretty much the same. I tried to follow like a theme the whole way, minus the last one. These two are both in the same like organization. They're both by job number, and both in the same. Opposite. Sorry. One's low to high, one's high to low, and then the last one I just organized by status just to see how it would organize it, and obviously it did alphabetically A to Z. So this is the same as before. I added a bunch of new columns in on this one. Kind of just tried playing around with some of like the math stuff over in right here, like using some of the arithmetic and all that, and changing some of the names. So I came in. I realized that you can just make random columns right here. They can just be generic, so to speak, if you needed one that was just the same thing over and over, I guess. And I did that here with this pi one, just kind of to see what it would do. Started throwing in a bunch of different ones, and then, like I said, I played with the math. Did the salary one times 1,000 and just changed it to job cost to make it work better with my welding and fit up thing. Expenses, I did the same thing. It was I believe that was probably commission before, and then I just picked a random number. Originally I did a comma right there, and that was how I learned that it would create random columns, because it made a column called expenses that was just 350 the whole way down. And then yeah, I did the order by 6. The only thing that I couldn't seem to get to work for some reason was doing the group by. And it says by selecting one or more of the names listed in the select clause, so if I go do that, so like we'll go on the bottom one, and then before it was originally goes second from the top bottom. Oh. So I'd need having. I guess I don't understand. But I don't know why I can't just do order by, and then do group by, and then like job number. So now I group by expression. But if I look at not that one, wrong class. This one. So how'd they do it in this one? Oh, see, they didn't have the having by thing. So how do they do that? They picked one, select status. I tried doing the all capitals before I did the video, but so group by, but now it still says it's not an expression. So I'm not fully sure as to what I'm doing wrong there, but I'll leave it within my code. And now I get my normal folder again. So I guess I need to read into that a little more. But that's about all I've done this week. So I'll dig into it a little more throughout the week, and I'll see you in class on Wednesday. Have a good one.